Hello and welcome guys. Hope we are doing great. So in this video today we will be discussing around a question type plugin that is called all or nothing multiple choice. So why this plugin? So till now you have, if you create a multiple choice question where you have multiple correct answer, in that case the user will get the portion of that particular question. That means if this question is of 5 marks and suppose there is a all 5 correct options, so in case they pick only 3 options, then in this case the user gets 3 here. That means they are getting the portion of that they have corrected here. But in case you want, if they have corrected all, then they will get the mark, otherwise they will get 0. So for this one is a right plugin for that kind of scenario. Okay, so as you can see here, as it name suggests, all or nothing. If you have corrected all the correct answer, you will get 100%, and if you are failing that, you will get 0%. Okay, so let me rephrase their definition. If the chosen answer corresponds exactly to the correct choices defined in the question, the respondent get 100%. If he or she chooses any incorrect choice or does not select all of the correct choices, the grade is 0. So let's try installing this and check how it works. So I am downloading here. So downloading the toppermost. Yes, it is downloaded. So I am already logged in here on my local Moodle instance. So under plugin, go to install plugin and pick that downloaded one, this one. I am going to install. So click on install from the zip file. Click on continue now. Here it will take some time. Now click on continue. Click on upgrade database, upgrade Moodle database now. Click on continue. Just leave it, whatever is coming here. Just save changes. Now let me go inside the course, that is my course, my first course, and I will try adding that quiz here. Then inside that quiz I will add that question type, quiz, test quiz. Save and display. Come to question bank. No, just go back. Come to questions. Click here and click on add a new question. So here you will find, so this is, as I told you, this one is a question type, so you will find here in the list of questions. So I am going to pick this. Okay, add. Which of these countries are in G20? Okay, so now G21, but let me only create this. India, that is correct. USA, it is correct. China, that is also correct. Okay, Australia. I'm also selecting this one as a correct. So four option I have picked here, and let me save this. Save. Oh, sorry. It is also asking for the description. Shuffle the questions type if you want. Oh, the right. Yes. Click on save. Now try adding the same question with multiple choice. Okay. This multiple answer allowed. India. So here you see at least you will have to pick the percentage here. So if I am adding the four option, sorry, I will have to add 25. China 25, USA 25. Yeah, US 25. So like this, and you have already picked that all four are correct option. If you get, so let me try attempting this quiz. So come to preview, and you know all options are correct here. If I pick these two and click on next, and which if I am only picking first two, finish the attempt, save all the attempts. Okay, so this question is coming through all or nothing multiple choice plugin. So here it is showing you have picked this one is a correct and this one is a correct, but your answer is incorrect. The correct answers are this. Okay, and this one is a normal quiz, and I have assigned 25% for each. So in this case, your answer is partially correct. You have correctly selected true. The correct answer are all four. Okay, and if you come to this scoring, you have got this number of point. So let me again come to this and assign this 5 marks each, so that you will have the clear idea. Now come back to result. Oops. Again go back, come to preview, try attempting as now it this question is 5 each. So again here I am selecting only 2, and here I am selecting just 2 only here. Now submit all and finish. The same way we have already taken this description. So here and now you can see the answer. So this question was of 10 marks, and if you have corrected 2, this both question was 5 each. So if you corrected here only 2 out of 4, then in 5 you will get 2.5, and for this you can see you will get 0 marks. Okay, so that is why it is showing 2.5 out of 10, and your 2.5 is coming from this. You can also verify from here, and you can see 0 mark out of 5 is assigned for this. So this is how all or nothing multiple choice plugin works. Please try this at your end and let me know if you see any challenges. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.